Welcome to Chakshumathi Assistive Technology Center.
Let us flatten the inaccessibility curve. Topic: How to install Zoom video conferencing application in your Windows PC.
How to download and install Zoom video conferencing application in your computer. For that, open your default browser. Now I am going to open Google Chrome.
Search box edit. Google Chrome. New tab dash Google Chrome. Address and search bar edit. Control+L.
Now my focus is on address and search bar edit. Here I am going to type the web address www.blindhelp.net. blindhelp.net. So
www period B-L press I-N-N-D-H-E-L-L-P period N-E-T.
Pressing enter.
Blank selected. Blindhelp.net. Blind Help Project vertical bar envisioning a brighter tomorrow through the lens of technology. Dash Google Chrome. Edit search this site. Fort blind.
Now we are in the home page of Blind Help Project. Here we have a search box to search any software. I want to reach that search box and activate. For that I am going to press E, letter E for edit box.
Search edit. Search this site.
Search edit. Search this site. Pressing enter.
Search edit.
Now I am going to type Zoom. Z-O-O-M.
Z-O-O-M.
Press enter.
Zoom. Search vertical bar Blind Help Project dash Google Chrome. Search vertical bar Blind Help Project. 24 headings and 74 search.
Here your search results are visible in heading level 3. So you can directly go to your search results by pressing letter 3 on the top row of the keyboard, not in the numpad. Instead, you can able to navigate by pressing down arrow and reach the result. This is a simple way. So I am going to press letter 3.
Search heading level 1. Search results heading level 2. Zoom and dash a powerful cloud meeting app. Always latest version visited heading level 3 link.
Zoom, a powerful meeting application. I am going to press enter here to open this.
Zoom and dash a powerful cloud meeting app. Always latest version vertical bar Blind Help Project dash Google Chrome. Heading level 1. Zoom and dash.
Here you have a complete description about Zoom. You have download link of Zoom. Everything is here. If you want to go directly to the download heading, press 2, letter 2 in the top row of the keyboard, or you can press down arrow and reach to download heading. For the simplest way, I am going to press letter 2.
Blind Help Project heading level 1. Search form heading level 2.
Again.
Heading level 2 same page link.
Again.
Stay home, stay safe, stay productive heading level 2.
Again.
Main menu heading level 2 same page link. Zoom and dash a powerful cloud meeting app. Always latest version heading level 1. Features heading level 2.
Here we have features of Zoom again.
Download colon heading level 2.
Download. Press tab or down arrow.
Download Zoom for iOS from Apple App Store link.
Download Zoom from Apple, iOS. Again tab.
Download Zoom for Android from Google Play Store link.
Download Zoom from Android for Android. Again tab.
Download Zoom for Microsoft Windows link.
Download Zoom for Microsoft Windows. Press enter.
Download file info dialog. Description. Start download button. Alt.
Now I am using a different download manager, so I am going to click on this start download button. If you are not using any download manager, it will be downloaded. If you are using Firefox, a small pop-up will appear and it will ask open and save. Click on save button. Here I am using a separate download manager, so I am going to click on this
Start
button.
download button. Zoom and Dash, a powerful cloud meeting app, always late.
So it will be downloaded. I'm going to close this Chrome
Alt
window.
F4, Zoom and
So now I am going to open my downloads folder and reach to that file we have downloaded. Opening this PC.
search box. THIS, this PC app.
Hit
File
enter.
items view multi-select desktop documents downloads 4 of 7.
Yeah, here in my downloads
Shell
folder.
folder view items view list box.
Here I already mentioned I am using a different download manager. So this download will be visible in the programs folder. If you are not using any download manager, it will be visible in the main downloads page. That means in this folder. But in my case, I'm opening the
3 of 3.
programs folder.
Shell folder.
Here,
And Zoom installer underline 2.x 4 of 4.
Zoom installer .exe. This is the file. Here, press application key.
Applications. Context menu open.
Hit down arrow until you hear run as administrator.
Run as administrator.
Hit enter.
Leaving menus, programs, items view multi-select list box. Zoom installer underline 2.x 17-05-2020-2354 application 11650 KB 4 of 4. User account control dialog. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Zoom Video Communications Inc. Verified publisher Zoom Video Communications Inc. File origin hard drive.
Here, tap until you hear yes and press enter. Instead, you can hit Alt Y also. I'm going to hit Alt Y.
Menu bar. Leaving menus unavailable.
So, now
Programs.
Zoom will install automatically. You
Zoom
don't want to
installer.
do anything. Yeah, Zoom installing. It will be installed soon. So I am going to read the dialog box by pressing insert B again.
Zoom installer installing 95%.
Yeah, now it's 95%.
Programs.
Yeah, the installation is finished. I'm going to close this down
Alt F4.
folder. Let me open my start menu and try to search Zoom.
Z-O-O. Zoom. Start Zoom app. Press right to
Yeah, start Zoom. So we already installed Zoom.
Escape. Search.
So thanks for watching.